Hello everyone, my name is Ankit Lawale. Today is 16th of November 2022 and the topic for the today's video is data structures. So this is my first video in this topic. So we will see first what are the data structures. So the term data structure refers to a collection of data with well-defined operations, behavior or properties. A data structure is a special manner of sorting or organizing data in computer memory so that we can use it effectively. Let us see a real life example on data structure. So it can be that data structure is used in a drive-in burger joint to keep track of customer orders. So the customer continues to arrive and they must obtain the correct meal at the payment collection window. So the data structures are used extensively in practically all areas of computer science, including computer graphics, operating system, artificial intelligence, compiler design, and many more. Now we will see the need for data structures in Java. So the use of data structure is necessary to solve various problems generated because of the rapid increase in the amount of data which makes the application more complex. So the first point is a reasonable process or speed. So the faster a computer's CPU works, the more data it can handle. If data is not effectively structured into a data structure, the processor may not be able to keep up. Then the next point is data searchable. So we have all glanced at a long list of statistics or an intimidating spreadsheet and wondered how we all ever find what we are looking for. Search functions are incorporated straight into data structure, allowing us to find what we need fastly and easily. Then the next point is handle high levels of request for data. So the clients of a corporation may appear to request data all at once, and without data structure in place, this might cause a server to crash. So the computers can handle this many requests more effectively thanks to the data structure. Now we will see the classification of data structure in Java. So the data structure is broadly divided into two types, that is linear data structure and non-linear data structure. Then linear data structure is again divided into two types, that is static linear data structure and dynamic linear data structure. So the static is classified into array, and whereas the dynamic is divided into linked list dynamic linear data structure, stack dynamic linear data structure, and queue dynamic linear data structure. Whereas the non-linear data structure are classified into two types, that is tree and graph. Now the linear data structure in which data elements are arranged sequentially or linearly, where each element is attached to its previous and next adjacent element, so is called a linear data structure. Then the next is static data structure. So static data structure has a fixed memory size, whereas dynamic data structure is not fixed in size. Then we will see the non-linear data structure. So the data structure where data elements are not placed sequentially or linearly are called non-linear data structure. In a non-linear data structure, we can't traverse all the elements in a single run only. So the example of non-linear data structure are trees and graph. So this is all about the data structure in Java. Thank you.